the Honorable High Court have directed the CBFC to consider all the points raised by the petitioner parents, and after that only they'll consider regarding the issue of certification, which is still on in pipeline. It's still not issued. So let's CBFC consider all the points raised by the petitioner itself. Petitioner are the parents of late Major Mohit Sharma. So let's them consider it. They also said that if there was anything related to army personnel also, then the competent authority from the army, that's ADGPI, they also consider the same points, and they'll submit to the CBFC. See, our objection is basically regarding the whole since the teaser it's released in September. After that, every media house, everything, the persona, everything is related to, and it play around only one real life character who is late Major Mohit Sharma. The other characters as well, like the character of SNA, that's also from a real life character. There was other from Sanjay Dutt to Akshay Khanna, everyone. Characters are related to some real character who are actually living there. So the main leading protagonist character was actually revolving around late Major Mohit Sharma only. What we feel like, what media feels like, what other articles also said the same thing. So that's a major point is raised by the petitioner's parents. So that's also everything is already there. Matter has already been disposed of because all the responses are here today before the court. Before the Lordship, and the directions are specifically for the CBFC now. Respondent says that they were saying that this character, it's not fictional, it's not real. They clearly never stated the clear version of it, but they say that character is not related to late Major Mohit Sharma. What's their grounds are. So let's see, let's watch it, and then we'll come up that this character is whether is related to the real life character or not. If there was anything, then obviously we can file an injunction application again in the main petition. We have that legal option still open for us.